Hi everyone, welcome back to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. In this video, I'd like to share one of my completed journals. This is my May journal. I made it to use for the month of May. To journal every day in a simple and easy way. Nothing complicated, just working with scraps or ephemera from day-to-day life. So it was finished at the beginning of June, so it took a little more than a month, but it's totally okay with me. I love how this journal is fully filled, and it was always feels so good when I'm holding a complete journal in my hand. So yeah, the bag stained a little bit. I love it. Other than that, everything stayed the same, so you don't need to worry about the sturdiness of cereal box journal. Actually, I do have a tutorial video on how to make this journal on my YouTube channel. It's a step-by-step tutorial for beginners. If you haven't watched it, click the card at the top or the link in the description box below. So, let me open it up. This card is from Open Book Collection by Maggie Holmes. I assume a lot of you have this Project Life card. So, this card is a vintage notebook cover that you use in school. It's in French. École means school, cahier means notebook. So this is the place to write the name of the school and the principal's name here. And here is for the name of the class and the next is your name. So I just fill them with May, my name, journaling, and Roger Journal. I really love this card. So a lot of page is very simple. I think this page is my favorite page. I made a background with glossy gift wrapping paper and edited this washi tape that I bought in the Disney store in Tokyo last year. It's the alien in Toy Story. They are separated 3 washi tapes. I love them. They are the cutest washi tape ever. And this is a photograph from Muji's catalog. I wish my galaxy is organized like this. Minty colored page, and I tipped in this tag. Originally this page was just blank white page, so I made like collaged background with scraps and covered the middle with a washi tape. And this is a washi tape package, so I tried to add most of them on this page. And these both pages are vintage hankies from my printable. This is from November kit and this is September kit that has a scallop edge. I just folded it. I love scallops. I wanted to make this page look like a Polaroid and journaled on usually where the photo is. And this photo is actually from a postcard. And this is, that comes with a perfume sample. I sticked it here. This was a cosmetic package. I made a tag in it. And these are branding strips of Graphic 45 Time to Celebrate collection. Because I'm working on a journal collection with them, I hope I finish them and share with you soon. And another paper scrap background. I journaled on this envelope that I cut off from a card making magazine. And this is a pocket. The other side of the doily. This is an envelope from October Printable and I made a card. This is a mini tuck spot made from a vintage hanky and it has a butterfly card and another mini vintage hanky. So cute. And this is another doily from my Fully Market Printable. I just journaled on it and it was enough because the doily itself was so pretty. Vintage means pre-loved. This is an acetate card. I stapled it. And a botanical tag with a day stamp on it. Simple but rustic page. Fully Market finds. This label, all the labels look like this in various colors in this journal. They are from my October printable. I stamped a date at the corner. And this is my another favorite page. I fussy cut this garland from a paper and made a banner from a scrap. I believe they both were from Bloom Collection by Maggie Holmes. And they stamp on the tag. And here, this is a tea bag. I put a mini card in it and glued a quarter of doily. And actually, this is an envelope, again from my October printable, and it has a journal card. I fixed the tea bag only at the bottom so it can behold the envelope flap. I really like this page. This page is very fun too. I made a tuck spot out of the same vintage hanky with this envelope. It has a tag. I stamped our story and the date. And this vintage linen is from October printable as well. And this is what I cut out from a mayonnaise package. I tried a Japanese mayonnaise. It was called Kewpie. I heard it is very famous in Japan. It was definitely different from what I can easily find here, but it was good. And it has a card. I journaled with a white gel pen on the black dot area. And I think I glued two cards together. So there was the card from this plastic pocket with a window. I believe you'll know what this is. It is a package of Kindle. I got mine quite a while ago. I was keeping the box because I really like this silhouette. Reading a book under the tree. And actually this is a card. And on this page, I just added this Project Life card. I like the sentiment and the minty green was matching with the left page. And this page is pink and black and white. I tried to stamp flowers, but you can see I ran out of space. I could stamp S within the label, just barely. Adding this label is all I did on this page because this botanical pattern is so beautiful. On this page, I did another collage scrap paper background and added labels and a real postage stamp. And this is my favorite floral pattern ever. And I purchased a Prima zipper pouch for a traveler's notebook, and this is its package. I like it has gold foil. On this page, I added this black and white Project Life card and this label from my November printable. If you see closer, you can see the fabric texture in it. I wanted to stamp remember this and the date. It was this stamp, but I misplaced this, so it is a little bit hard to see the date. And this page is the back of the vintage linen. It was blank, so I just covered it with 4x6 Project Life card. It has a list of my 10 favorite things at the moment. And this is the last page. It has just labels and stationery packages. And I simply journaled on this card, finishing up this journal. It was the last thing I did. So this is how I fill this A6 size cereal box journal. I love it. I love the threads and little pieces sticking out on the side. So yeah, if you haven't watched the tutorial video on how I made this journal, click the link in the description box below. Or it'll be fun to compare how this journal was when it was blank, when it was just made, and now fully journaled. I hope you enjoy this completed journal flip through video. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye, have a nice day.